everyone, and welcome to a new tutorial for the Animation Editor Pro series. This tutorial will show you how to create a short animation by combining a couple of existing animations. You'll learn techniques like adding displacement modifiers to move a model smoothly and adding special effects. You'll also learn how easy it is to blend animations, no matter if they are complex multi-strip animations, using the amazing global transition feature of the Animation Editor Pro add-on. First, let's meet our animations. Here we have a happy walk. And here's our happy sit. The goal, get our guy to walk over to that bench and take a seat. Before we start blending these animations, we need to position our model in the right spot. There it is. Now we'll make this guy walk happily and sit on the bench. So let's add the first walk animation. We see the first problem here. The character is not moving forward to the bench because the displacement is baked into the root bone. To solve this, first, let's disable the baked displacement by enabling the in-place setting in the Properties panel. Choose the root bone and set the repetitions to 3. Okay, now he's frozen. Perfect, that's what we want. Why? Because now we get to control his movement. We'll add a displacement modifier strip. It will move it smoothly along the chosen axis at the given speed. Let's rename it and see what happened. Beautiful, now he's heading straight for the bench. Now it's time to add some new editable strips and correct the pose in some bones. The legs are too close. And the thumbs are twisted. Let's change that. The feet don't look good either. We need to correct their orientation. He's looking good, but let's make this guy even happier. Let's add another displacement modifier, this time a cyclic one, to give him a little bounce. The location index is different because we'll move the character up and down. We'll sync the speed with his walk cycle, add some amplitude and offset. Most of the time, the offset can be 0 or half the amplitude. Check it out, now that's a happy walk. Want to make him even happier? No problem, it's as easy as adding another cyclic displacement. But this time, it won't modify the root bone, but the head. Index and speed will remain the same. There he goes, happy as can be. Alright, he's reached the bench. Let's add the second animation with the add strip from existing action operator. Set the start frame to 1 frame after the happy walk animation ends. We can see there is no blending between the walking and sitting animations. Let's check the transition between both animations in detail. Disabling Set Scene Frame Range automatically will help us focus on this specific part. See, he just snaps from walking to sitting with no transition at all. Let's fix that. First, enable the automatic setting again. Now let's add a global transition strip. The start frame is the last frame of the first animation part we want to blend, in this case, the happy walking and all its extra strips. The end frame is the first frame of the second animation part, the happy sitting. The relocation frame is used to automatically shift all subsequent strips when offset subsequent strips is enabled. Usually, the relocation frame value is set to the same as the end frame value. You can choose the transition length as well. Okay, let's see the animation with this new global transition. It looks fine. Let's focus again on the transition part to see the difference. Not bad at all. Now the guy is sitting smoothly on the bench, not magically as before. Last step, we'll just rename our strips to stay organized and loop the sit a few times. And let's watch the final product. We did it. We made a super happy guy who just wanted to take a seat. And that's all for this one. I really appreciate you watching. The hope is that you're now feeling more confident and inspired to start experimenting with Animation Editor Pro on your own. Don't forget to check out the other tutorials in this series for more tips and techniques. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.